Hello, this is Ingrid Schneider, and this is my student learning outcome. It primarily talks about leadership styles that I can implement in my world as an instructor in interior design. The challenge that I'm going to be talking about is due to the COVID pandemic, students have been so negatively impacted to attend classes in person and participate due to the pandemic. They have been so developmentally and emotionally scarred due to the pandemic as they have created this world of being virtual and not connected to the classroom or the professors. And it's resulting in a lack of participation in class as well as connecting with their peers. Furthermore, faculty and staff are challenged by engaging students in meaningful discussion and also even just having time to spend one-on-one and be able to answer questions, as more often students are on Zoom. To achieve a better in-person attendance record, the attendance policy needs to be clearly stated in the syllabus. Furthermore, in the applied design department, attendance is required. So as a result, it's really important for students to understand that policy. Secondly, students must notify the instructor ahead of time if they need to attend via Zoom due to a COVID-like symptom. Thirdly, for a student to have an excused absent, they must go to the Dean of Students and advocate for themselves. And the Dean of Students are the ones to determine whether an absence is excused or unexcused and will notify the instructor accordingly. The second goal is to create a more fun classroom experience or more collaborative experience. By just starting class with 5 minutes of social times for the students to engage with each other, connect, and talk together. Facilitate small group discussions and critiques as opposed to having everything where it's a large group and people are a little bit uncomfortable speaking to a larger group of people. Having low-stake group projects to foster communication and collaboration and coordination of their time and being accountable to others in the classroom. Furthermore, these types of experiences allow me to practice transformational leadership, and it will allow me to motivate the student to attend class in person and have a more dynamic experience. The third goal is to provide accessible ways for students to give feedback to me and about the class. A great way is to have a Google form just dedicated to submitted feedback anonymously. This will allow students to be more free and willing to share their personal ideas, and furthermore, encouraging students to come to open office hours, which are both virtual as well as in person. This gives students time to meet with me one-on-one and talk about different situations that they may have. These types of interactions allow me to encourage students to connect with me and practice appreciative advising, as it will really try to elevate the student to become more and more comfortable. In the end, if these goals are achieved, students will have a more collaborative class experience with their professors and peers, which will also help them succeed within their course of study and also learn to enjoy college more at this point. I hope this is helpful, and thank you.